Music Sing Lyrics.
Hi, my name is Diego Salamanca and today I'm going to present my stock nomenclature project. Crisscross. In this method, the numerical value of each of the icon charge is crossed over the become the subscript of the other ion. Signs of the charge are grouped. And now I'm going to explain the exercise. Yes, here I only have to change the 2 of Fe and the C and the one of Cl, but the second is like that do not exist. Then I have to do the crisscross, that is Cl1 and Fe1 and Cl2. But we don't put the one. It's the but the now the result was FeCl2 of the first exercise. And here I have to do the same. The tree of AU and the one of BR. It's one, but here I don't have to put the one. BR3, and the result was O AU BR3.
Music Sing Lyrics.
Rules of stock nomenclature. An ionic compound is named first by its cation and then by its anion. The cation has the same name as its element since science some metallic elements form cations that have different positive charge. The names of ionic compounds derived from these elements must contain some indication of the cation charge. To the name compounds we must follow a series of steps. For example, with this compound we have copper and sulfur. The only thing we have to do is to place first the name of the element that is on the left. In this case it would be copper, but put with Roman numerals the amount of ionic charge that the element has, and then finish with the sulfur and the suffix id. E. For example, now the compound of copper and sulfur would be copper to by the ionic charge it has, and we put at the end sulfide. In the next exercise, we can see that Hg has a ionic charge, but there are two Hg, so we'll put mercury 1 for its ionic charge, which is 1, and the end we put sulfide. And that was the result. Finally, we have lead and nitrogen. As we can see, lead has 4 ionic charges. So we put lead for nitride. And this was the result. How to give the chemical formula when the name is given. Give a formula when the name is given now to be able to give out the formula when we have the name. We must follow a series of steps. For example, the first example is iron 2 chloride, so we must first put the element iron, which is Fe. Then we put the number of ionic charges that has fate, which are indicated as the Roman number in this case is 2. Then we check in the periodic table how many ionic charges chloride has in case is -1. So we'll put chloride -1. But we must put in such a way that the ionic bonds added together give 0. So we will put a 2 next chlorine so that it is -2 ionic charges. With the next compound, which is lead for iodide, to which we must put lead, which is Pb, its ionic charge, which is +4, and check in the periodic table how much ionic charge iodide has in the case. It has -1, so we put iodide, which is I, -1, and we put up 4 so that they add up to 0 between the two elements. Finally, we have tin, which is Sn. We place the plus 2 which it is ionic charge, and we continue with fluoride. We check what ionic charge it has in case it is -1, so we place F -1 and a 2 at the bottom to add 0 between the two ionic charges.